Hello guys, I am super excited for our team members in estate who are just taking advantage of this August promotion that is happening right now until 22nd of August. Now, this guy just purchased a property worth $99,000. In fact, $99,400, right? And he got a free $99,000 bonus worth of Venetian property. This is amazing. Okay, so this is the promo that estate is been doing for the whole of this August up until 22nd, right? So if you are watching this video and you have not yet purchased a fraction of a property from 1,000 and above, okay, so because you can only qualify to get the free 100% matching bonus if you purchase a property that is of minimum $1,000. That is the qualifying criteria for you to be eligible to receive the 100% matching bonus in estate for this August. Okay, irrespective of the amount you are going to add on top of the 1,000, they are going to match it 100%. So if you do like $1,050, $1,200, they are going to match it with another free 1,050 or 1,200. But this guy went above and beyond, and then boom, he said, I'm getting $99,400 worth of property, and then boom, within 12 hours of purchasing that property, estate matched 100% of another free Venetian villa given to him. So let me show you very quickly the screenshot that is shared with us, okay? Because it's not everybody that is willing to share their back office, okay? You guys should know this. Some people are very private. They don't like to show because they don't want, too much attractions, okay? But this is what is happening in the back office of estate. For those of you that are following me throughout this month that they are doing this promotion, you will notice that I have been using color coding to differentiate the free bonus from the purchase amount. Okay, so you can see on my right hand side, this is the property that has been bought for 99,400, and on my left hand side here, the yellow color coded information says got free 99,400 property bonus. This is exactly what estate promised that they are going to deliver, and then now they have delivered it, and they continue to deliver to other members that are going to be purchasing later on. Now follow the arrow, okay? Just follow the arrow to the bottom here. You will notice that the property at the bottom here is the development property that this our member purchased for 99,400, and then boom, after a few hours, if you look at the time here, so this guy purchased the property at 3 minutes past 3, and then by 16:41 it got the Venetian property for 99,400. This one has been given to him free of charge. So what does that really mean to people in our estate, or anybody watching this video just now and you are wondering what is going on here? Why is estate doing this? Because estate care for their members. They want their members to grow. They want you to grow your portfolio of fractional real estate that you are purchasing. They want you to earn more, okay, from the properties that you are purchasing. Now if you go to the back office, you will see that you will have the ability to purchase any property from under the profit calculator here. If you click on it, you will see a drop down of all the properties that they have, okay? And this guy now purchased second to the last on the list here, okay? Second to the last, this development for $99,400. Now take that into consideration, right? Take that 99,400 into consideration for business development. You know how much that is going to be, printing for you every day. 5 days a week, and then put that into the Venetian property. So this is the Venetian property. Let's put 99,400. Okay, 99,400. How much would that be every month? Look at what eEstate is giving for free for this particular member. $5,844 for free every single month for the next 18 months. This is crazy, right? This is the bonus that somebody got as a result of investing and purchasing in another property. They match it up with the total amount you have used to purchase that property and give you under this property that is called Venetian Villa. So anybody can come here and do this. So if you have 1,000, remember this video, I've told you many times that the minimum qualifying amount is 1,000. So if you put 1,000 here, for example, this 1,000 is going to be giving you $58 every month. Okay, so this $58 will be extra $58 that you are going to get from any other property that you want to purchase. So let's say you don't want to do 99,000, you don't want to do 50,000, you don't want to do 20,000 or 10,000. You just have your 1,000 that you want to participate in this promotion. Okay, the recommended property for you guys that have only 1,000 is this one that is called Desert Villa, because the minimum to purchase this Desert Villa originally is even 1,000. So if you have only 1,000, you can just boom, come to Desert Villa, purchase this. When you purchase this, you will notice that you are going to be earning on a floating rate of 109 monthly basis, right? Then eEstate will now come and say, okay, after a few hours, eEstate will say, okay, let us go into that Venetian Villa and let us give you 1,000 for free. So calculate it, 109 plus 58, do the math. $58 is given to you every month for free. That's basically what it is. Okay, so this guy went well ahead of everybody and then says, listen, I am going to do 99,400 on the development property, and then boom, he got it, right? You can see it there. So he purchased it for this and they got this for free. Guys, don't sit on this at all. If you are watching this video and you have not taken any action, that is on you. It's not on me, because I'm been telling you the whole of this week that this promo is happening and I want everybody to benefit from it. So, take it or leave it. People that are interested, the people that are actually taking part in this bonanza or promo, okay, they will definitely benefit from the 100% matching bonus which eEstate is giving to everybody right now. So that being said, the call to action in this video is pick up the link below this video description, sign up, complete your KYC, deposit minimum of 1,000. Remember, I said minimum for you to qualify for this promo. Okay, but if you have more than 1,000, just like this guy that deposited 99,400, you can do that. All right, but guys, let's dig in. Let's not let this promotion pass us by. Okay, let's get started. Let's do something. If you are already in eEstate, go and do something. Don't just sit down and let this one just pass you by. Okay, I don't want that to happen to you if you are in my team. So once more, the link to join is below this video description. If you are brand new, if you are looking to join and benefit from this, use the link. If you are already in eEstate, if you registered, all you need to do is to log in, deposit, purchase your property, and then within 12 hours, boom, your free bonus will be deposited in your back office under the Venetian Villa. Thank you guys. God bless.